How you guys doing? Welcome to Language Juice. Today I'm sharing easy and fun ways to improve your vocab. If you're a student, if you're a professional, anything you're trying to do to improve your vocab, this video is for you guys. So we're going to look at a few tips on how to improve. Let's start here. Tip 1, read what you love. Read things that you enjoy to learn. So if you love cooking, read some recipes. If you love superheroes, read comics. If you love to laugh, read jokes or memes. If you do these things, it's going to be easier for you to learn. So for me, when I was learning Spanish, I'm still learning Spanish. I'm still following meme pages, sports pages. I'm reading ESPN in Spanish. I'm reading just anything, recipes as well. So that's why I got these. I like comics, so I read comics as well. So these are the different things that you can do to improve your vocab. So read what you love. Tip 2, write and use the new words. So don't just memorize new words, write sentences with them. And try to see if you can push yourself when you write the sentences. Don't just sound basic. For example, this is a good sentence, but it could be better. That's why I put bad. This cake is delicious. It's boring. So to be descriptive, the better way would be this chocolate cake is delicious because it's sweet and creamy. Okay, so don't just memorize it. Use it in a sentence and force your help. That helps your brain to remember and to connect it with the things that you write about. Okay, so try to push yourself to use different words to build your vocab. All right. Tip 3, learn word families. Okay, learn related forms of the word to help you grow your vocab faster. So, for example, I have the word help. We have the noun. Try to find the noun of the word. Try to find the adjective. Try to find that adverb, right? And then try to make sentences with them, right? So we have help, which is the verb, helper, noun, helpful, adjective, and helpfully. Okay, so this is going to help you to connect each word that you learn, the base words, with different categories of the word. And if you have the vocab tracker that I sent you guys, you can focus on building those really fast. All right, guys, so tip 4 is flashcards. Flashcards are a great study tool because you can move around with them. They're easy to use. It's good for memorization. So you can break down how to use the flashcards in 3 piles. So you can set the piles that you know, the words that you don't know, the words that you kind of know, and the words that you know well. So you can separate them in 3 piles and just review them. So I have a template that I'm going to share with you guys. It's very effective. And it's also affordable. What you're going to do is you're going to write down the words that you want to study and add them into your flashcards, and then you'll print them out, right? And then you'll break those into those 3 parts. Those words that you don't know, words that you kind of know, and words that you know well. And you'll check them regularly to see how you fare with those words. And it's good, like I said, for building your memorization and also building the vocab as well. So using flashcards is very, very, very effective. So for the vocabulary template, you can try it. It's just $2. It's pre-designed, and all you got to do is fill out the words and vocabulary in there as well. Also, you can put in your definition. It just saves time to help you stay organized, and you can use it by using it on your phone if you need it just as the template, and you can just study it on your phone, or you can print them out and carry them with you wherever you want to go. And it's good to just review them, keep them around just to review those words, just so that you can build that. And I think it's a great method for you guys to build the vocab as well. So just keep that in mind. You have that as well. Tip number 5 is group words together. So if you group the words together, your mind starts to associate those words with the different themes, roots, functions. For example, if we have a group by the root of eject, we have inject, eject, reject. If you have a theme, you can separate them by themes, whether it's animals that I have here, or travel, or business words, or also you have them by function, right? Related to the growth. You have increase, expand, accelerate, and you can group them to help you to remember them easily, and they're just great ways to build and remember easier those words. All right. Okay, we have tip number 6, and tip number 6 is listen and learn, right? Listen to podcasts. I think listening to podcasts or watching videos or playing music in that language, in English, for example, for you guys, is going to help you a lot. Write down the new words you hear and look them up later. If you don't know how to write them, try to sound it out phonetically, and then you can look for English to English dictionary. This is my bonus tip, so that you can see more examples and related words. So just listening is just a great way to pick up new words naturally. If you watch a movie, if you listen to a podcast, if you enjoy different topics, you can just listen to what people are talking about. And just like I said, write down those words. Try to see if you understand how to, that word, and you can see if you can use it in different contexts. Pay attention to the context. That's very important. Tip number 7 is just practice daily, right? Consistency is key. You can try this routine that I have for you guys here is read something short, like an article. There's a website called ingru.com. It has articles on there, news articles, very short articles that you can read in maybe 10, 15 minutes. You can do that in the morning. Also in the afternoon, you can write 1 or 2 sentences using those new words. I also have a free vocabulary tracker for you guys. I'm going to put in the show notes that you guys can download and then add words into that vocabulary tracker. And then you also have a video of me explaining it in my channel, which is like Build Your Vocab, I think. And then you can just watch that and see how I filled out those different words. So you can write 1 or 2 sentences, review your flashcard, or also review your vocabulary tracker. Just like I said, make it a habit, and you'll see your progress. You'll see a lot of progress if you just practice daily. It's kind of like building your muscle, right? If you want to build your muscle, you don't just go to the gym once, right? You got to keep going to the gym, right? So just keep that in mind. All right, and grow your vocabulary with Lingo Juice, right? Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe for more lessons. And like I said, try our $2 vocab flashcard template to help you with your learning. And like I said, put in the comments, what do you think your favorite way to learn new words is? I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.